Wow! What is this, Bibe?
Letters.
Letters. Small letters or big letters?
Big letters.
No, look at properly.
Small letters.
Small or big?
Small.
Yes! Gusto ko,
Very small.
Apo. Dito sa flowers, hanapin mo tong mga letters dito, Look at the colors, okay?
Yeah.
Look at the colors. Apo?
Apo.
Get mo na yung colors. Anong first letter?
This one.
Apo.
My first.
What is this letters?
A.
Oh, yes.
Pink.
Pink.
There he is.
Asan mo na yung A dito sa flowers? Yes. Write mo na. Hindi, dito. Isulat mo. Write the letters. Write mo, write. How to write A? Yun! Very good! Next! What letter is this? B. Yes, B. Question mark natin to para next na activity natin. Alam ko yung ano.
Yeah.
Where's the letter B here in the flowers? Asan ang letter B dyan?
Where's the B? There he is.
Where?
Big letters.
No, that's not letter B. Look properly. Tingnan mong maigi. Look.
Blue. It's nice.
Ganyan siya, Ganyan, Ganyan. Asaan siya dyan? B.
B.
Yun!
Yay!
What color?
Blue.
Very good. Finally, nahanap din.
Where's blue? Oh, there he is. There he is, blue. You're blue.
Opo.
That is sweet. This is sweet.
Write properly. Down, straight down. Very good. Next is, what letter is this?
C.
Asan ang letter C? Small letter C.
Yes.
Very good.
French. Sweaters.
Color?
Color. White.
Brown.
Brown.
Kahit ano na dyan. Magkakakulay naman yan. Brown lahat yan.
My forest. I really brown in here. I really brown. Look.
Very good. Next is your name.
My name?
Yes.
Name Dana Bawamos.
Opo, yan yun. Yung first letter mo. Letter T.
Letter T.
Asan siya?
Where's sunset?
Very good. Anong color?
Color brown.
Very good.
What if there's color brown? What's color?
Up. Pag ganon, taas. Very good.
I'm going my face.
Next letter is your name.
N.
E.
E.
E yan, E. Anong E? E. Asan yung small letter dyan? Asan dito? Very good. Apo.
Color yellow green. Yellow green.
Apo.
Yellow green blue. There he is. There's yellow green.
Apo.
And honey here. Wolf.
Asan yung E dyan?
There he is. Look going my face.
Yung buhok mo. Up. No. Sa taas. Ni? I said start ka lagi sa taas eh. Next is?
Next is...
What letter is that?
Is...
Alam, sige na.
um,
Alam mo yan eh. F. Di na naman niya alam eh. Go na.
question mark.
Go.
Question mark.
Question mark ko pala. Pati
Yeah.
yung D. Go.
Yeah.
Anong color?
Color green.
Go.
I can see color green. No, it's not color green. Excuse me, where's color beaters?
What letter is that? F.
F.
F. Small letter F. Very good.
Maybe.
Sige na. Next is?
Next is where's next?
This one.
This one.
Dami mong hindi alam sa small letters. G.
G.
Asan yung G?
Question mark.
Question mark natin talaga.
Yes. Why am I animated?
Anong color yan?
Purple.
Anong purple? Look mo kasi ani Anong color yan? Hindi mo kasi tinitingnan yung tinuturo ni Mami.
Color red. Color red.
Opo.
Naughty red. Red and red. And red. This is color red.
Opo. Asan pala yung G dyan sa flowers?
Pink.
Sa flower.
Pink. There is.
Very good.
From.
Circle muna. Ay, baliktad.
Right.
Kahit di ko tinitingnan, baliktad. Ganon. Para baliktad. Very good. Next is this one. H.
H.
Go.
Question mark.
Ang dami na.
There is.
Very good.
Could be the one.
Straight line muna.
Check.
Opo.
Up.
Very good. Next is
What is that?
ay, alam mo yan. Ni? What is ano yan? What letter is that? Small letter?
Oh, small water.
Mag-isip ka naman. Isipin mo. Hindi yung what is that ng what is that. I. Na dumadami na naman yung hindi mo alam. Ay, ano mo na? Asan yung I dyan? Kahapon lang alam mo yung I eh. Di kasi nagpiplay na naman eh. Go. Andito yung blue.
Ito purple.
Mag-isip i-think ka ha. Hindi ko na sasabihin yan. Hindi ka na nagtitink ka.
Ayan.
What is this? Next.
L?
No?
What?
J.
J.
Yan, hindi mo alam talaga to. Go.
Right.
Asan siya sa flowers?
Which J?
This one. May tuldok siya.
What there is?
Yes.
Can you, mommy?
Go. Ang dami pa niya, no? Very good. Next is what letter is this?
K.
Very good.
He's purple.
Go.
She's purple, okay. There's purple.
Opo.
Color purple. I did it. What did we do?
Asan dyan sa flower sick eh?
Okay. Oh.
Yes.
One. Straight.
Very good. Next is?
Next is L.
Yes. Very good.
Mm.
Anong color?
Yellow blue.
Yellow, blue. Blue, green.
Blue green.
Ah.
Plus green. Plus blue.
Equals?
Equals green blue.
Blue, green.
Blue green.
Green, blue. Madami ka pang gagawin.
Blue green.
O, asan na yung L?
L. Where are you? There he is.
Very good. Next is?
Next is
Next is?
Next is
What letter na to? Yan yung ganito na mami niya is ganito.
Wow, it's M.
Yes. Hanapin mo na si M.
Jason.
Very good.
It's color gray.
Mm.
Where's color gray? Yours here.
Apo.
This one is gray. Oops. Sorry, mommy.
Very good. Next is?
Next is
N. Ito. Mami niya, oh. Ganyan, oh.
Yes, it's N. Her name is mommy.
Oh, go na. Hanapin mo na.
It's motorcycle.
Oh, go. Asan niya?
It's coming.
Hanapin mo na. Huwag mo nang hintayin na mag-ask si mami. O kaya si teacher. Very good.
Chimpanzini bananini. Chimpanzini bananini. Wow, wow, wow. Yuchi, maki. Or
very good. Next is?
O.
Anong color si O?
Blue.
Yes.
Blue. Bend the peanut. Singing here.
Very good.
Ben ow.
Baliktad yung pagsulat mo ng O. Next is?
Next is
Eto, di mo alam yung mami niya. Ganyan yung mami niya. O, pare kamukha lang niya. Kamukha lang niya mami niya eh. Go. What letter is this? P. Ay, ang tagal mo nang alam niya. Nakalimutan mo na naman. Asan na si P? Baby P. Kung kailan ang napakadali niya. Magkamukha lang sila ni mami niya eh.
Purple.
Asan yung letter P? This one.
This letter P is quiet. Where's letter P?
Ang tagal mong alam yan eh. Nakalimutan mo. Go. Very good. Next is? Ito ang mami niya.
My P
Mm.
is Q.
Yan yung baby Q.
I am a baby too.
Mm.
It's mine. To me, you are a...
Very good.
Yes.
I'll go.
Um,
Next is, hindi na lahat na alam. Ito yung mami niya, oh. Ito yung mami niya.
H.
R.
I.
R. Oh, go. Oh, asan si R na? Color?
Power. Way. Way, mommy.
Ayun yung gray, oh. Kunin mo niya dun.
It is. There's a little way into.
Up, no. Straight line muna. Very good. Oh, next is?
S.
Very good.
I cried.
Ito na yung orange.
Orange. I find you orange.
Next is?
Next is
Ito yung mami niya, oh.
teeth.
T, yes. T lang. Wag tit, T. T only. Oh, ito na yung brown.
Peppa? Tapping one?
Very good. This one?
You.
You.
They're like that.
Opo. Asan si baby you?
There he is.
Very good. Next is?
Next is really great translation.
Oh, what letter is that? Kamukha rin ni mami niya.
Question.
V.
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 Oh, go. Very good. Oh, next is?
Next is
Mami niya is this. Alam mo yan, Bibe. Mag-think ka, think. Ito, oh, yung mami niya, oh. W.
W.
Oh, go na.
Okay, create the brain. It's power.
Ayan na yung gray.
Brain. The brain. This one here.
Very good. Oh, next is? Oh, question mark na naman. Yung dami mong question mark. To?
X.
Very good.
Remember, we got it right. There he is.
Very good.
Miss Pink.
Andiyan na yung pink.
There he is.
Opo.
Pink. Pink. Maybe pink.
This one? Why?
Why? Question mark.
Question mark. Dami mo talagang question mark. Oh.
Yes.
Yellow. This one na. Yung yellow mo.
There he is. There he is.
Yes po.
Yeah.
Last is?
That was easy.
Very good.
This one's C.
Very good. Yay!
It's color yellow. Where's color
Still
yellow?
didn't.
Oh.
Opo. Go na. Yehey! Finish na! Ang galing ni Baby Nana kahit nahirapan na. Ang haba ng video. O, say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for following.
Thank you for ring.
Thank you for the stars.
Thank you, stars.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.